we are going to find out which of these cars is loudest when you rev them at a standstill. So I'm going to rev up my Aventador. We've got Rory holding a sound meter just behind me. I'm going to give it some revs. Valves are open on my Gintani exhaust. It's pretty loud. Let's find out how many decibels that was. Rory! Peak decibels, 125.7. Let's find out how loud that is. I'm going to ask ChatGPT. 125.7 is a jet engine or a live rock concert next to the speakers. Now let's see if any of the other cars are louder.
129.7 decibels.
That's louder than this. Now let's move on to the next car. So we've got Sam, you've got another V12. Go for it. $129.5. Woohoo! Right, final one. Down on cylinders, down on capacity. It's a Porsche GT3.
125.7.
Wow, so the Ruelto and the Ferrari are pretty much identical, and then this and the Porsche are pretty much identical.